Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. I apologize for the light because as I said in my last video I have big windows around the house. Somehow I'm home earlier today. Earlier, not quite, it's 6 p.m. but anyway, apologize for the light. So for this video I will have my Bomibag for March. If you watch my video you'll see that I had that one already, but by mistake I got the February bag instead of the March one. I did contact them and they told me they will send another bag. They didn't promise me that they will send me the March bag because they didn't know if it's still available on stock, but they will send me a different one just in case if they don't have that one. I do not know what was in the March Bomibag, so if you have that subscription and you'll see different products in mine, please keep in mind that this one is a custom bag, just in case if the products are not the same. So I got this, as I said, because my bag was a mistake in the shipping with my last bag. So let's see what I got. I didn't know if I had to do the video. I didn't know if you wanna see the video. I was asking you in another video and some of you told me that you would like to see this one. So for that reason I will have an unboxing for this cute guy and see what I got instead of the March bag. So I see here a full-size product, which is a Cell Renew Bio Micro Peel Soft Gel from Siam, which looks like this. And usually their sizes are huge. Is this one. So again, if the products are not the same, keep in mind that this one is a custom bag, customer, whatever, how you wanna say that. Then we have 5 pairs hydrogel, eye patch, aloe vera. Those are new products for me. Usually we get in the bag some of the products similar with the box. I didn't see those in the box, which makes me think that this is a different bag. So I have also here aloe vera facial cleansing wipes, and in this one we have 15. As in the box I have the Huxley. This one is Secret of Sahara. I believe this one is, because I don't have a card, and probably because it's not a regular bag. This one is a sleeping mask. I got this in the box too. And I have also 2 face masks. One of them is from Lock. I don't know exactly what's the name of this, but anyway, it's our Aqua Moisture Raccoon face mask, which looks like this. Very cute guy. And the last one is salmon oil mask from Create Skin, which looks like this. So that's all in my bag. Thank you so much to Bomibag for sending me a replacement. As I said, 2 face masks, the raccoon one, which is called Aqua Moisture Raccoon face mask, and the salmon oil. I'm very curious about this one. I tried the cream and was really nice. 15 wipes from Look at me. The writing is, anyway, look at me. Huxley sleeping mask. Those eye patches with hydrogel. The hydrogel eye patches with aloe vera. Something is wrong with me in this video. And the last thing, a full-size product from the Siam, is the Micro Peel Soft Gel. So that's all in my replacement for Bomibag for the month of March. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you watched my last video and what do you think about that. I can't wait to see your comments. So yeah, that's kind of all for this video. I'm trying to keep it short. I'll see you soon with another video, whatever it comes. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.